My beloved child, I see you sitting there, carrying the heavy weight of tomorrow. I know the silent anxiety that grips your heart when you wonder if your life has a true purpose, or if you are simply drifting through the storm. Let my voice wrap around you like a warm blanket right now. You are safe here. I want you to release that deep breath you have been holding, and know that I am holding you. Your struggles are not invisible to me, and you are never, ever alone. I am asking you today to protect your faith. Do not let the chaos of the world drown out my promises. Stay consistent in your prayers, not as a religious ritual, but as a raw, honest conversation with me. When you do not know which way to turn, stop trying to force the answers in your own strength. Just sit in the quiet and remain open to my gentle guidance. Trust that even when you cannot see the path ahead, my hand is already charting your steps. Faith is not about having all the answers. It is simply about trusting the one who does. I know your heart has been deeply broken by betrayal and past pain. You have been hurt by people you trusted, and those deep wounds have made you guard your spirit with heavy, defensive walls. But I am here, right now, to bring you personal restoration. I want to heal those broken pieces and replace your sorrow with a future filled with deep peace and divine purpose. Do not look back at the people who hurt you. Look forward to the beautiful blessings I am preparing for you. Your past does not have the power to block your future. New doors are opening, and a season of joy is on its way. As you walk into this new season, I want you to carry kindness in your spirit. Let humility be your armor. The world is full of sharpness, but I have called you to be soft. Start within your own home. Treat your family and those closest to you with unconditional love and patience. When you choose to speak words of life instead of anger, when you lift up those who are down, you are reflecting my light. True inner strength is found not in pushing others down, but in lifting them up with grace. Rest in this safety today, my beautiful child. If your heart is ready to accept this restoration and walk in my love, type, "I receive your blessings, Lord," in the comments below. Share this message of hope with someone who is navigating adversity right now, and subscribe to this channel to stay close to my word every day. I am guiding you step by step into a beautiful tomorrow. I love you.